The Egyptians created the first mascara in 3000 BC. Originally known as kohl, mascara was made with crocodile dung, honey, and charcoal. The Egyptians also believed that the use of mascara could protect the soul from harm. During the Victorian era, mascara use continued to grow. The early 1900s, mascara would evolve thanks to early pioneers. The 80s pushed the limits by introducing new and wild colors. Today, we introduce to you the evolution of mascara. Lashmere. The Egyptians created it, we perfected it for you.